everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. This is Partha Sir to you, welcoming you to your own classes as tutors. Today we are going to complete with chapter number 1.2, The Thief's Story. Now, before starting with the chapter, I would like to say one few very good thing. See, whenever I'm very fond of movies. I am very fond of great stories which I want to watch on big screens. But personally, I feel that reading improves your imagination. Reading improves your brain capabilities to capture and see the world in a different way. When I read this story, Ruskin Bond is a great writer. Believe me, whenever I go for a movie, I expect a movie which has two things. First, before the interval, they should build a good plot for the movie, and after the interval, the movie should have a different level. ठीक है. इन हिंदी इफ आई से पिक्चर का स्टार्ट जो है और इंटरवल के पहले वाला जो पार्ट है, इट शुड बी गुड, बट आफ्टर द इंटरवल अ मूवी शुड बी बेस्ट. ठीक है. पिक्चर इंटरवल के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होनी चाहिए. दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग मेक्स अ ग्रेट मूवी. ठीक है. एंड इफ द एंड इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स आर very rare to find in these scenario. रीडिंग करते वक्त मैंने जब ये स्टोरी पढ़ी, आई फेल्ट वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ दैट आई रेड दिस स्टोरी. दिस इज अ very beautiful story. See, first half we discussed and it was my first lecture, so I was nervous as well as I was unaware that if I will be teaching English nicely or not. That is not my concern right now. If I'm teaching it nicely, it is well and good. If I'm not teaching it rightly, I'm trying to make it an interesting lecture to you people, so that if you are not understanding my English lecture, it is okay. But if you are understanding the story which I'm explaining you right now, and if you are enjoying that particular story, if you are getting very good morals from that particular story, that particular thing will make me more happy, even if I'm not successful in giving you or delivering you the lecture which I wanted to give you, which I desire to give you. Okay, let us get started with the chapter. Okay, not started, I will say continuing with the resuming with the chapter. हम लोग ने 8th and 9th पेज हम लोग ने लास्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ा था, and this chapter comprises of this particular story comprises of 4 pages. We are left with 2 pages. We are done with 2 pages. Okay, तो लास्ट के 2 पेज पढ़ेंगे. दिस इज अ स्टोरी आफ्टर द इंटरवल. इन द प्रीवियस lecture we discussed about this story. We had a great plot build up. There was a thief. There was a man who trusted the thief. He gave him the house to live. He fed him regularly. He used to remove 1 rupee from the market. मार्केट में जब जाकर वो कुछ भी शॉपिंग वगैरह करता था, तो उसमें से 1 रुपया अपने लिए रोज निकाल देता था. And that particular thing was a dissatisfying thing for him, the thief, that why is he just earning 1 rupees? He wanted to earn more. Okay. Both Anil and what was his name यार, बहुत बड़ा नाम है उसका. Wait a second, I just want to confirm. Hari Singh was a thief. Okay, हम लोग लिख के रख लेते हैं, नहीं तो मैं भूल जाऊंगा वापस से. ठीक है. Who was the thief? Hari Singh. ठीक है. Hari Singh was the thief, and जिसके घर पे वो रहता था वो कौन था? अनिल. ये उसका विचार लिखने का. So this is a story between these 2 people. What happened in the last lecture, Anil came with a lot of money. नोट का बंडल लेकर आया वो, and he kept that bundle of notes beneath the bed. मतलब बेड और बेडशीट के बीच में उसने दबा के रख दिया और उस पर वो सो गया. And the thief, he was thinking that now it's his job. Now it's his actual job that he will rob that money and he will leave. ठीक है. Because Anil was not at all paying this Hari Singh. वो monetary satisfaction उसको दे नहीं पा रहा था. That particular thing resulted in Hari Singh wanted to rob that particular money and he wanted to leave. But he was afraid of one thing, that Anil was not a greedy man. He was a nice person. He was not a greedy person. So Hari Singh had a twofold, you can say that, twofold thinking. करना है या नहीं करना है, चोरी करनी है या नहीं करनी है. But then what happened? Let us begin and let us see what happened in the. Now what I will be doing is I will be reading the whole chapter right now. पूरा 2 पेज में पढ़ लूँगा, फिर मैं तुम लोग को explain करूँगा what happened. Okay. I know you people are quite smart that you will understand when I will be reading कि क्या हुआ, but still I will be explaining you. ठीक है. Anil was fast asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Unlined means what? Without any expressions, without any scars, without any, you can say that, skin folds. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. My hand slid under the mattress. जिस पे वो अनिल सो रहा था उसके नीचे ही उसने वो पैसा छुपाया था. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. When he was removing, बाद में explain करेंगे. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes on my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. 600 in 50s, मतलब 50 रुपए की नोट थी बहुत सारी, और वो टोटल कितना था? 600 rupees. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office, though, because I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, that means coaches. But I hesitated. For some reason I can't explain, I lost the chance to get away. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. The only person I knew really well, was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. I found myself in the maiden and sat down on the bench. The night was chilly and it was early November, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. Anil's money in the morning. he would in the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meal, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of theft. Whole sentences I knew I could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the deal. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Today, we'll start writing sentences, he said. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, as I used to do, and the smile came by itself without any efforts. Story by Ruskin Bond. Now let me explain you what this story tells in the second half. अगर तुम लोग को इंग्लिश समझती है, ऑब्वियसली समझती होगी, दैट मीन्स यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट जस्ट हैपेंड. Okay, it is a very very beautiful story. It is a very very beautifully written and executed work of literature. Anil was fast asleep, and this man Hari Singh, the thief, he wanted to rob the money, so he decided to rob the money. In the middle of the night, somewhere around 10, he woke up. He sat beside Anil and decided to rob Anil and Anil's money. And he took the money from the mattress. Mattress के नीचे पैसा छुपा हुआ था. He took that money. Anil turned towards Hari Singh when he was robbing the money, but he was still sleeping. A bit scared, a bit nervous, Hari Singh took the money and went outside the room. Now he was running towards the station, and after a few minutes he was walking. Okay. He counted the money. It was 600 rupees. 50 rupees के 50 rupees के notes थे. Somewhere around 12 notes. ठीक है? Around नहीं, 12 notes ही थे. ठीक है? So that particular 12 notes he kept, हम लोग अपने पैजामे के जो नॉट होता है उसका स्ट्रिंग पे उसने छुपा के रखा था, मतलब टाई करके रखा था. And then what happened here is he reached the station. He never used to take tickets for traveling in train because he was a thief. And the train which he wanted to board was almost leaving the station, the Lucknow Express. ठीक है? But then something inside him forced him or stopped him to board the train, and the train left the station. Carriages लिखा है यहाँ पर, मतलब the coaches itself. Okay, the train left the station. He was standing alone in that misty, chilly night on the platform and was wondering why he left the train. Slowly he came out of the station. He walked on the road. It was a busy street. In the day times it used to be a busy street, बाजार बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग, जैसे हमारे स्टेशन पे बाजार है. And he sat on a bench and he was wondering, whenever he used to rob anyone, a greedy man will show anger, a poor man will show कि हाँ हो गया चलो अभी कोई नहीं, he won't react, he will say just it was a phase and it has passed away. But he was assuming the face of Anil. If he found that he has been robbed by a person who was so close to him, Hari Singh was so close to Anil, he will feel sad, very upset, not because he was robbed, but because his trust was broken. So keeping these things in mind, Hari Singh was still sitting on the bench and thinking about Anil. Okay. What happens next is, he started to assume if he would have not robbed Anil, the morning would have been so blessed. Next morning he will be giving him some money to bring certain things from bazaar. He will be giving him some money to go to the cinema and watch certain movies, whichever you want. And Hari Singh will remove 1 or 2 rupees from that particular savings. All the things came in his mind, and then Hari Singh decided that he will go back to Anil. Either he will surrender or he will try to escape from the situation. So he ran towards the house. He was wet, his clothes were sticking to his body. The notes which he robbed from Anil was damp, wet, and it was very, you can say that, weak in condition right now. So he decided to leave for the house again. He ran towards the house. Now it was not raining, but it was cloudy, and it was night with full of moonlight. Okay. Slowly he opened the door. He went inside. He saw Anil was still sleeping. Taking the advantage of the moment, he started to put the money back into the mattress. He was scared. He felt guilt. But then the notes were wet. He was wet. He slept on the floor wherever he was sleeping. Okay. Next morning when he woke up late, he saw that Anil has cooked the tea. Already the tea is been prepared. Hari Singh felt very nice, blessed that now he will live a routine with that particular person who trusted him so much. Okay? He will learn new sentences every day. Again he will learn, and he started to build up a bond of trust between Hari Singh and Anil. They both had a bond of trust between them. Okay? That morning something strange happened. Anil came to Hari Singh and he gave him, like ऐसा उसने पैसा पकड़ा था, ऐसा दोनों उंगली के बीच में उसने 50 rupees होल्ड किया था, and he gave that particular money to Hari Singh and said, this is 50 rupees, take it. Yesterday I earned some money, now you will be paid regularly. This was so beautiful moment. Hari Singh felt so blessed. He felt so nice that he returned the money, but he was ultimately very scared, ultimately very full of guilt that he was robbing a person so clean-hearted. One more thing happened. The note was still wet, and Anil knew that when he kept the notes under the mattress, the notes were not wet, and it had rained last night. And if the notes are wet, the notes have been dropped. Okay, so this particular things made Hari Singh feel very guilty. But still, when he accepted that 50 rupees, he knew that Anil knew about the robbery this particular Hari Singh did last night. He knew that Anil knew that this Hari Singh has robbed his money and then kept the money back into the mattress. Anil gave him the money, 50 rupees. He paid him and said, I'll pay you regularly. Hari Singh, as always, gave him the brightest smile as he can. They both smiled, and Hari Singh felt very proud of himself, or very happy that he will learn new sentences every day, and one day he will become a rich man. One day he will become a very good man, a clever man, a man which will have so much of respect and not just money which is robbed, which has been an act of theft. So here we are ending with this chapter. We are ending with this beautiful story written by Ruskin Bond. It was a so beautiful story. It's a story of trust. It's a story of, you can say that, so much positivity, so much positivity. You know, good deeds and good behavior, positive behavior can turn a thief into a good person. Anil never forced Hari Singh to become a good person. But Anil and his behavior turned Hari Singh into a good person automatically. You know, the good vibes, the positive vibes, the positivity, the good attitude towards the person you are showing towards. You know, if a person is doing, I am very nice to you people, you people will become nice to me. You will never ever break the trust which I am showing on you. So this particular story is a story of trust. The name is so much confusing. A thief story. मतलब हमको यहाँ ये स्टोरी में कुछ ना कुछ रॉबरी वगैरह देखने मिलेगी. We will learn something negative, but Ruskin Bond has written this story so beautifully. So beautifully. It is a story of trust. Okay. So I am winding up my lecture over here. I just enjoyed it. You know, थोड़ा सा तुमको बोर हुआ रहेगा जब मैं रीड कर रहा था, but I personally wanted to teach this chapter because it's a very beautiful story and I wanted to become the part of it by teaching this thing to you people. I know if you, अगर audible नहीं है मेरा lecture, then please listen this particular thing to in your earphone, because I am teaching this lecture, I am taking this lecture in a very good positive flow. So I just don't want it to scream in front of the camera. Okay, that particular thing can make this moment a harsh moment. It won't make, but I just wanted to, you know, speak in a very polite way, just to keep and give justice to this story written by Ruskin Bond. It's such a beautiful story. Okay, read this particular chapter or story, whichever, whatever you want to say, 1.2 context, again and again. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you have any doubts and you are in WhatsApp group, then you can ask me the doubts over there. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. If you have liked this video, please give it a like. If you have disliked the video, again please give it a like, and do not forget to share it to your friends and all. Okay, we need more and more subscribers, we need more and more students to join us. Okay, so winding up my lecture over here, this is Basit to you. Thank you so much. You people were a great audience. Thank you so much.